This is Pat Iyer with Legal Nurse Podcast. Meet Amy Puls. We have just been talking about how she built her business from zero to a part-time business. And the other part of her world is being a nurse practitioner. Amy, what were some of the key points that we covered in your podcast?
So some of the key points in our podcast was, first of all, how to connect with attorney clients, how to choose which ones you connect with, and how to reach them on LinkedIn without doing any cold calls, any cold emails, but simply connecting with them on a professional and intellectual level. And also how to gain extra followers on LinkedIn by using things like hashtags, something that we're all used to on other social media sites, but maybe not as accustomed to that on LinkedIn. And then how to follow up with your attorney clients so you keep them coming back.
Excellent. Be sure to catch Amy's podcast. She's going to share some very practical, step-by-step information about how to use LinkedIn, a tool that is sitting on your computer that you might not be thinking about as a way to get exposure and to gently and persistently put yourself in front of attorney clients in a very easy way. Requires effort, as everything does in building your business, but it is not a difficult problem or a difficult series of steps that Amy shares. It requires attention, and I think you'll get a lot out of her show. Be sure to catch Amy Puls' podcast.